Alright, we're live now. So, let's start off by saying who we are. I'm Jason Pressure. So, this is Jason and Felix on our presentation on what we've learned so far in CIT 260. Some of the things I've learned so far: a refresher course on a Java HTML class I had last semester. Already knew some of the operators, how to make variables, how to assign a variable, a number, or whatever.
Okay.
Some other things I've learned this semester are how to call those variables from a different program. This Java code is a lot bigger, a lot more complicated than Java code for HTML. The book's been a lot big helped me a little bit. Still learning a lot about it.
Okay.
Been knowing anything about the UML things before. The UML diagrams, they do help in programming if they're done right.
Yeah.
And working with a team is better than doing it on your own. What about you, Felix?
Yeah. Okay. Well, for me, I think this is kind of difficult for me because I've never tried Java before. Though I did JavaScript about 2 semesters ago, and that was quite helpful. But with this one, I'm really struggling.
Me too.
Because, yeah, declaring variables and calling the functions, I'm still struggling. And I'm sure you are helping me because when you do your assignments, you can read the code and I go through. Sometimes I find it difficult to understand, but I have to get it, you know. And the UML thing too, I've never used it. I've never used it before. I know Visio and some other tools, but with UML, I've never used it before. But um, I'm sure as we've been introduced into, and I'm sure it will continue. Maybe we may have to use it in other classes as well. I don't know. So, well, I think so far it's been quite helpful. And like you said, it's better to work with a team than to do it alone. Honestly,
Yeah.
if it were to me alone, I'm sure I'll score 0 in all the assignments. Yeah. So I think so far it's been helpful.
Yeah.
Sure, before we get to the middle of it, maybe I'll learn much more than
One of the things I find helpful with the IDE thing is that it can actually write the code for you if you know what it is you're looking for. Go to the
that.
source function and it can
Mm,
create a lot of the stuff that you need.
yeah.
Uh, one of the things I also learned was how to get all these different controls and models and things and how you can link all that together so that one main program can run them all. You go to the main function and you type in share a screen here. Make sure what I'm talking about. I can't explain it very well.
Okay.
Go to the main package here.
Mm-hmm.
You type something in like this
Mm-hmm.
line. It runs really slow right now.
Okay.
You do a character control, whatever it is, or like help menu, and help menu equals new help menu method. When you
Mm-hmm.
type that in, it won't recognize what it is. But you'll get a little bubble over here, a little light bulb that'll pop up, and you can click, and it'll give you an option to add something for that.
I mean, did I
And then
meet
up here
you?
at the top, it'll actually import that in. Right here, import the name of the control and whatever the method is that you want to do. It'll put it in there for you. Makes it easier. Links it all. That's how it links all together.
Oh, okay.
If I could write something to use that control, it'll go to this control, get it,
Yeah.
and then use it.
Ready? Come.
It's a big help not having to
Yeah.
type everything in. And I'm a visual learner, so I need to see how it works. I figured out how it works on my own, and then if I do that, I can do a better job of getting it down.
Okay.
So, you know what's hard? I enjoy the class.
Sorry?
Have fun with doing it sometimes.
Oh, okay. I say you have fun doing it sometimes, or
Yeah.
okay.
As long as it's fun, it's worth doing. If you don't enjoy doing it, then probably wrong.
Yeah.
But when you put it all together and you hit run and it runs and does what you want it to do, then hey, that's a good feeling.
Yeah. Yeah.
When you get all those little
I
red marks on the side.
mm-hmm.
What was you gonna say?
Never mind.
Never mind. Okay.
Yeah. Hey, go to mommy.
It crashed, so I got it back up. I'll wait and see if Felix will come back.
Yeah.
And Felix,
Um, not much. Like what I wanted to know is concerning the week 5 team assignment. You know, in our control, the UML, we defined 7 controls.